I am back with another motherfucking video. I hope that light back there is not bothering y'all. I don't think it is, but it is Thursday. I got the day off, so I'm thinking maybe I should do like a little vlog, vlog. Okay, so it is 12:28. I just woke up, not even gonna lie. Made myself a little sandwich. I got my little mocha. And honestly, I'm super tired. And it's raining outside. So I was like, do I even want to record? Because it's raining outside. I kind of want to lay down and just watch some movies. It's my day off. You know. But I got up anyway. I did a little something for some videos on my laptop. You feel me? And I got some new products. Y'all want to see my products? I'm gonna show y'all my products. Don't fall. It's not a lot, but like it's a lot. Okay. So right here is melanin. I got Melanin Twist Elongating Style Cream. Okay. I've never tried these products, which is why I bought them. I saw them on my Instagram and I was like, let me try a little something. Let me pull up the prices so I can show you how much it was. Okay, so the styling cream was $16.99, which personally I don't think is bad. Do you see how big this thing is? This jar big, baby. I don't feel like taking out this bubble wrap because they did that, okay? They did that. At least it's in bubble wrap, I guess, right? This is the leave-in conditioner, which was $18.99. Again, I don't think any of these products were that bad for the price because of how huge they are. It's gonna take me forever to use that. And then I got the African Black Soap Reviving Shampoo, which is Wafel. That was $19.89, which I do think that's a price that's a little high. But again, sis, it's big. I don't know. Buy it, get it, shoot. Let me know if you guys want to see me use this in the next video or because I got some more. Where is that? It's all the way. Okay, so I got this Miche. Honestly, this whole time I thought it was Miche, but it's Miche, okay? Because she got it right here. She said, I don't know how to pronounce it, okay? It's Miche. I got the Lavish Leave-In Conditioner, and that was $18. I do feel like these are kind of small and a little thin. It's giving me sample, okay? But I don't know, maybe it's one of those products that, you know, a little goes a long way, so no judgment. And then boom, again, Miche. This is the Sculpt Defining Gel, and this was $22. Again, it's kind of small. Like, look at that. What? But I don't know, it could be one of those products that's one of those, you know, a little goes a long way. So I'm letting it rock for now, and we gonna see. Comment down below and let me know which one you guys want to see me use next. Also, remember in that video that I posted like a few days ago, I was talking about, well, I don't know what I'm posting is, but the video I posted with the what was that? The video that I posted when I was talking about how my videos got lost. Yes, they did get lost, but baby, I found that, okay? This whole time I thought they were on my camera and I thought I uploaded them to my laptop, but turns out I sent them to my phone. So I'm scrolling through my pictures and I see all 4 videos sitting there on my phone. So I can now edit those. Let me know if you guys want those first, or if you just want me to use this melanin and Miche products and then upload those. I don't know, but y'all decide, I guess. Let me know. But yeah, I am doing a vlog today, which I've never done a vlog on this channel before. I have done vlogs on my couples channel, you know, subscribe to that. I'm gonna put the link there, quit playing with me. But yeah, I'm gonna do a little vloggy vlog on this channel. I'm thinking about doing a little workout. I know I'm eating junk right now, but mind your business. This is my body, not yours. A workout is gonna make me feel good about myself, and that's period. So I'm gonna probably do like a little workout, and then I gotta go to the store and pick some stuff up for my brother because his birthday is on Sunday. But no, it's not Sunday, it's Saturday. Yes, his birthday is on Saturday, but I work Saturday. So I'm gonna just get this stuff today and bring it to his house. But the only thing that's getting me is this rain, child. Like, I don't want to do nothing. I just want to sit here and just do nothing, you know. But I gotta get it together. Y'all should really try this. It's really good. Basically, it is a cinnamon swirl bread. Love this bread. It's awesome. And then I have what you call it, Canadian bacon, because I can't seem to find pork roll out here, but normally I get it with pork roll. But yeah, I got the Canadian bacon with some egg and some cheese. Good. Bussin'. Who is calling me? Okay, so I know I said I was gonna work out and then go to the store, but I'm gonna clean first because this house is a mess and I can't just leave the house when it look crazy like this. So I'm gonna clean up. Y'all gonna clean with me? Cause y'all can clean with me if you want. Like, that's nothing. It's whatever. But yeah, so I'm gonna clean. I'm gonna keep y'all up. Y'all gonna see me, you know, watch me clean. I'm gonna fast forward, of course, because y'all probably don't want to like watch me clean. But I'm gonna clean, and I think I'm gonna be doing my hair tonight. Not now, because of course it's raining and I don't feel like going through all of that. But I'm gonna probably do it when I get back, depending on what time it is. And if I'm up to it. Okay. I'm gonna start cleaning, y'all. Boom. so I know I said I was gonna work out, but I looked at the time and I said, I don't got time to work out. I got to go. So I washed up, threw some clothes on, and now I'm gonna go to the store and get my brother some stuff because it's 4:30. And to be honest, y'all, I need to make it back in time so I can watch Grownish. And that's on period. So let me hop in a car, go to the store real quick, and I'm gonna see y'all when I get there. Okay, so I'm at Hobby Lobby and my tripod is being stupid. Let me see. I'm thinking about getting him kind of like some wall decor, table decor. Alright guys, so this is what I got. It was hard for me to like kind of record while holding onto the cart, so I ain't do it. I thought my camera was gonna fall and I wasn't with it. You just made it awkward for me. Okay. This is my coworker, Katora. Say hi.
Hi.
Are you doing go backs?
No.
Oh, I'm over here like, why you putting go backs in my cart? Look, so I was getting this from my brother, right? This is cute, right?
Yeah. Is his birthday?
Yeah, his birthday's on Saturday, but I'm gonna be here, so I'm getting this stuff now and just going to the house.
He loves Guardian of the Galaxy?
He likes Marvel.
Oh.
Yeah.
But does he? He's so crazy. Edit me out.
You just told me to put you in it.
Wait till my hair done next
I'm
week.
screaming. And this is for the door.
Where's Devon?
He's at home. This is for my channel, not our channel.
Yeah, excuse me.
So I got this. It says go away. You know, for him to put on his door. I think that's super cute. Go away working on my dance moves. That's cute. And then it has welcome to our part of the galaxy. What does this one do? It's cute. And then I got this picture of Groot. My mom was saying how he's super into Groot right now, so I was like, okay, cool, I'll get that. And then I don't know, what is it, like this? This is probably the most expensive thing in his cart, but you know, for his room. And I'm looking for this sign that I saw not too long ago, but I can't seem to find it. It says just 5 more minutes please, or something like that, and I have no clue where it's at. It's driving me crazy. It's hard holding it, girl. Ooh, child. I don't like doing this vlog stuff. My freaking arm hurt. Okay, so I found the sign. Just 5 more minutes. I got a little game controller. I feel like my brother would really like that. I don't know. He probably would want like some toys and stuff, but he's not getting that right now because I don't get a discount from there. So, no. Oh. Alright guys, so I am at my mom's house. I bought all the stuff and I also got some Carvel ice cream cake. I was gonna bring it in the store, but I was running out of time because y'all know I'm trying to make it home to watch Grownish, okay? And it's like 6 o'clock. Oh no, my light. It's like 6 o'clock. I said I got to go. But I put all his stuff in the bag. I got the cake. I'm about to knock on the door and everything. They don't know I'm here. And downstairs is actually really black. Like everybody is upstairs and I gotta pee. And I hope they hear when I ring that doorbell because I got to go. But okay, y'all, let me go. I'm gonna try to hold the camera. But remember I said my tripod is like a little iffy. Whenever I try to hold it, the camera start falling back. So I don't know, but I'm gonna try. Let's go. Dang, door unlocked. Ooh, I'm gonna pee on myself. He's probably gonna be upset with me because I'm not coming Saturday for his birthday, but open the door! Why are you on the dark.
Hey. Hey.
Yeah, for Owie.
Can
Can you close the door? No, he's at work. Close the door.
You're not going to
I work. I close.
Wow, look at that. That's like initial. Right?
Owie!
All right.
Happy birthday! Oh, it's all dark.
Behind you, baby.
Where? Hi. Happy birthday!
Come on, man.
Look up at it. Thank you.
We can decorate your room with all this stuff.
Yeah, that's why I bought it all.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Oh, that's a man right there.
Mommy said you like Groot.
What he say, Owie?
I am Groot.
That's a man right there. He the only one that can't die.
Ooh.
Put all this up.
Honestly, I bought that for Christmas and I forgot about it.
I was
It
gonna
was,
say, I thought you
yeah,
I
it
thought
was.
you had him already.
No, it was in the closet on the floor. I was like, where'd that come from? I was cleaning up today and I saw it.
Up there go mommy, man.
Yes, I wanted to do his room marble so bad. He
You know what's
told me
funny? I seen all this stuff at your job.
They all at my job, that's why. It
They
all
got a
got
whole like
Oh,
marble
Hobby
yeah.
Lobby
section, right?
tags. Yep.
Video, move.
Hey, that's what's his name? You always talking junk. Rocket, right?
Mm-hmm.
Rocket always
But
talking
that's
junk.
rude.
No, Rocket right there.
There's both of them on it.
That's for the door. For the door.
Aw, Dave, you're so awesome.
That's 5 more. What that mean?
Just,
Oh, 5 more minutes.
just 5 more minutes.
That's so happy.
I think that's everything, right?
Please just finish.
Oh, it's some candy in there.
A whole.
Who's the
Oh
best
yeah,
sister
I forgot I got
ever?
that too. It's mask, but it has game controllers on them.
Let me see.
Stop being a brat.
Oh, I'm
Ooh.
gonna go.
What's that? Oh.
Give your sister a hug.
It has 2 masks inside of it,
Mm.
and they have game controllers on them.
Mm.
Doo doo. And I got you a cake. You a little funky though.
Always.
I got you a
Ice
cake.
cream cake?
Yeah.
You wanna see? I wanna see.
So we'll put it in the deep freezer. We cut it on your birthday.
All right, guys. So I made it home, and it's 8:15, and then I just found out that I can't even watch Grownish on my TV because I gotta wait till tomorrow. I have the Freeform app on my TV, so I'm like, okay, I don't like how this got me looking. But yeah, I have it on my TV, and I was gonna watch it live, but I can't because I'm late. Now I gotta wait till tomorrow. So I'm gonna probably watch Good Trouble or whatever, and then watch it when I get home tomorrow from work and edit some videos tonight. I don't know. I'm a little bit upset, but that's cool because I picked me up some Chick-fil-A. I'm gonna watch some TV, edit some videos, and I don't know how it's gonna work out because I'm actually recording this on my phone because my camera died while I was at my mom's house. But yeah, my brother loved his presents. Everybody was cool, you know. We didn't get to eat the cake. Whatever. That's cool though. That's cool though. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys. Sorry if my vlog sucked because I'm not that great at vlogging, but maybe I'll get there. I don't know. But thank you guys so much for tuning into my video. Make sure you click that subscribe button, smack that bell so you come part notification gang. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Just be true.